All right, today we're introducing another new belt application. We're doing that a lot lately, and we're going to continue to do it. This is a Ski-Doo belt, snow machine. Yes, Hunterworks is now involved in snow machine belts. Why is that? Because we now have access to the same company that makes the OEM belts. We can manipulate some compounds, and we can come up with a better belt. We get it direct from the same people that make it, and we can offer it at a lower price. UTV riding starts falling in the winter, and snow machine goes up in the winter. As a business, you know, it's nice to have something to offset one or the other. So why not do snow machine belts? Now this particular one, we call it the 600 belt. Why do we call it just 600 belt? Because if you do have a snow machine or Ski-Doo 600, this absolutely does fit. However, Ski-Doo only uses about 2 different OEM part numbers for just about all models, way back to 2007, and everybody can just get plumb lost in it. And so today's date, if you're buying a snow machine, you're going to buy a 600, an 850, or 900. All right, and so that's why we call this particular one the 600. If you got something other than a 600 and it's not an 850 or 900 that we have a belt for, then you can certainly go off the OEM part number. It's listed on the website. That number is 417-300-551. So there is a multitude of models that particular OEM part number fits on, and that and this will work together. This is a higher grade compound than that particular OEM part number. It gets made and sent to Ski-Doo, so you're absolutely getting a higher quality belt, higher horsepower capacity. You're getting it at a lower price, and we ship our belts 2-day shipping. So, you know, if you order on Monday, you'll have it on Wednesday. So check us out. Any tech questions on clutching, feel free to ask. I will not lie to you. I'm UTV clutching, but CVTs or CVTs for the most part. And I'll be glad to help you wherever I can on snowmobiles. And as we move forward, we'll try to get some tools and other things moving for you guys to have, so we're not just belts for you. But anyway, appreciate you guys so much. Welcome to the Hunterworks family. And if anything I can do for you, Todd at Hunterworks.com. Also, make sure you subscribe and like so you keep abreast of what's going on here. Thanks.